In 1998, astronomers pointed their telescopes at distant supernovae, expecting to confirm what everyone already knew. Instead, they discovered something impossible. 95% of the universe had vanished, not metaphorically, not hypothetically, literally gone. And it gets worse, because the deeper we looked, the more missing matter we found. Let's start with what we can see. Stars, planets, galaxies, gas clouds, nebulae, asteroids, all the matter we can detect with telescopes, cameras, and sensors. This is called ordinary matter, or baryonic matter. And here's the terrifying part. It makes up just 5% of everything. That's it, 5%. So what happened to the other 95%? The story begins in the 1930s. Swiss astronomer Fritz Zwicky was studying a cluster of galaxies called the Coma cluster. He measured how fast the galaxies were moving, and the numbers didn't add up. The galaxies were moving too fast, way too fast. According to Newton's laws, they should have flown apart billions of years ago, but they hadn't. Zwicky proposed a radical explanation. There must be invisible matter holding everything together. Matter we couldn't see. Matter that didn't reflect light, didn't emit radiation, didn't interact with anything. He called it dunkel materie, dark matter. Nobody believed him. For 40 years, dark matter was dismissed as a mathematical error. Then, in the 1970s, astronomer Vera Rubin made a stunning discovery. She studied spiral galaxies like our own Milky Way. According to physics, stars near the edge should orbit slower than stars near the center, just like planets orbiting the sun. Mercury moves fast, Neptune moves slow, but in galaxies, that wasn't happening. Stars at the edges were moving just as fast as stars near the center. Impossible. Unless there was a giant halo of invisible matter surrounding every galaxy, pulling everything together, providing the gravitational glue. Vera Rubin had proven dark matter was real. But here's where it gets even stranger. Dark matter isn't just missing mass. It's something entirely different. It doesn't absorb light, it doesn't emit light, it doesn't reflect light. It passes right through ordinary matter like a ghost. Right now, as you watch this, trillions of dark matter particles are passing through your body every second, and you feel nothing. But dark matter isn't even the weirdest part, because in 1998, those supernova measurements revealed something even more shocking. Not only is most of the universe invisible, but the visible universe is being pushed apart, faster and faster, accelerating, by something scientists call dark energy. Dark energy makes up about 68% of the universe. Dark matter makes up about 27%. Ordinary matter just 5%. That means everything we've ever seen, touched, or measured is a tiny fraction of reality. But wait, it gets worse. In 2021, astronomers using the Hubble Space Telescope made a new measurement. They calculated the expansion rate of the universe, and it didn't match the other measurements. The numbers disagreed significantly. This is called the Hubble tension, and it suggests something is fundamentally wrong with our understanding of physics. Maybe dark matter doesn't exist at all. Maybe it's a flaw in Einstein's equations. Maybe gravity works differently on cosmic scales. Or maybe the universe is even stranger than we imagined. Scientists have built billion-dollar laboratories underground to detect dark matter particles. Experiments like Lux Zeppelin in South Dakota, Xenon in Italy, dozens of detectors buried miles deep in rock and ice, waiting, listening, hoping to catch a single dark matter particle interacting with ordinary matter. So far, nothing, absolute silence. Every detection attempt has failed, which raises an uncomfortable question. What if we're looking for the wrong thing? What if the 95% isn't matter at all? What if it's something else entirely? Some physicists now propose that dark matter doesn't exist, that our equations for gravity are simply wrong. A theory called MOND, modified Newtonian dynamics, and it suggests gravity behaves differently at very low accelerations. No invisible particles needed, but MOND struggles to explain galaxy clusters, and it can't reproduce the cosmic microwave background. The evidence for dark matter is overwhelming. We just can't see it yet. Here's the most unsettling truth. Every theory, every equation, every model we've built about the universe is based on 5% of reality. It's like trying to understand the ocean by studying a single drop of water. We are blind to 95% of existence, and we don't even know what questions to ask. But that's also what makes this exciting, because the greatest discoveries in science happen when we realize we know nothing, when measurements don't match predictions, when the universe surprises us and forces us to rethink everything. The strange disappearance of 95% of the universe isn't just a mystery, it's an invitation to look deeper, to question harder, and to remember that the most important words in science aren't eureka, they're that strange. If this blew your mind, subscribe for more cosmic mysteries explained in 10 minutes. And tell us in the comments, do you think dark matter is real? Or is our understanding of gravity wrong? The universe is listening.